In part 2 of this story, stakeholders involved with student-athlete development are proposing changes to reduce their vulnerability to sexual predators. Outside of thorough background checks, psychological evaluation is also part of the recommendations. Jerome Foster reports.
Deepening concerns about student-athletes' safety from sexual predators have key stakeholders mulling over possible legislative and policy changes. Sports Minister Olivia Grange says there's a rigorous template followed by her ministry to reduce the reach of sexual offenders.
We carefully monitor the sex offenders. We carefully monitor incidents that are reported to make sure that we do not involve offenders in our program. So we do make an effort to do the fit and proper check.
However, President of the National Parent Teachers Association, Stuart Jacobs, believes the current policies are not strong enough to halt those who prey on minors.
They approach it with a certain guile and expertise, and they're very deliberate in what they do. They stay around a team for 2-3 years and they do nothing, but they have their sight on a prey and they zoom in on it. That's how they are, vultures.
Our safety and security policy does allude to how we go about ensuring safety and how we report breaches concerning our children. So we're again asking our leaders in our schools to do the due diligence and again, do not cover what is illegal in society is illegal in school. Sometimes the sentiments are strong, sometimes these people are close to us, but when there's a breach and it needs to be reported.
Jacobs is adamant the judicial system should make it tough on those who are creating problems.
I also think that the justice system should be so empowered that whenever the persons are caught and tried and proven quite guilty of this heinous crime on our children, on minors, that they get the full brunt of the law, to send a message to those who might not, who might think about it.
And the sentiment is shared by Education Minister Favour Williams.
I would have to work with other colleague ministers, other ministries, Ministry of Justice, Ministry of National Security, and maybe others to find out exactly how we can coordinate to ensure, as you said, if there is a situation in one school, then the coach does not just resign and go to another school and continue. So this is an area for deep probing and investigation.
Author Ray Merritt reminded the world that old men make war, but it is children who will make history. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.